This unique coin purse is made to resemble the shape of a snail. You can download the free pattern for this by following the link in the description below, and then follow along with the step-by-step tutorial. To start with, you want to apply interfacing to both shell pieces, and then baste batting to the shell pieces around the perimeter. Sew a swirl around the center of the shell pieces. Next, you want to add the zipper. Place the zipper face down on one side of the shell and sew. Repeat the process for the second side of the shell as well. Now we want to get the snail ready. Apply interfacing to both sides of the snail body, and then baste the batting to one side. Sew the snail pieces together with right sides together. Leave the inner curved side, the one that goes against the purse, unsewn. Then turn the snail to the right side after you clip the corners and curves. Then baste the snail to the shell. Now this is a bit difficult, but you'll want to curve the snail around one side of the shell and then baste it in place. Next, you want to sew the lining to the zipper. Sandwich the zipper with the lining and the shell layer, and then sew along the edge. When you flip the lining in, that's when you should see the teeth of the zipper to be able to open and close it. After sewing the lining to the zipper, you want to fold the two lining layers on one side of the zipper and then the shell layers on the other side, and sew them around the perimeter. When you're sewing the two lining pieces together, leave a gap at the bottom because you are going to turn it to the right side through that gap. You also want to make sure the zipper is open during this part. Then you want to turn the pouch to the right side through the gap and through the zipper. Sew up the hole in the lining and tuck it inside the coin purse. And then you are finished. You have a cute and unique snail coin purse.